This is a table. This is a table. This is a table. Okay. This is a dirty table. This is a dirty table. Dirty. This is a dirty. So there is a open book. There is a open book. So there is a closed book. This is closed book. Close. This is open book on the desk. On the desk. So a paper, a crumpled paper is on the book. A crumple. This is a crumple. A crumpled paper is on the open book. A pen is lying. A pen is lying on the crumpled paper. On the crumpled paper. So there is a bottle. There is a empty water bottle. Water bottle. This bottle is standing. It is standing without its cap. Without its cap. Cap on the table. On the table. He has no cap. So a blue pen cap. A blue pen cap lying on the watch. This is a watch, hand watch. So we check the time by this watch. By this watch. So this is a notebook. This is a notebook. A notebook with handwritten notes. A notebook with handwritten notes on the table. Is on the table. This is a looking glass. This is a looking glass on the notebooks. On the notebook. So this is a poster. This is a poster. A container. A food container. A food container on the desk. On the desk. So near the desk, a red light. A red light line. A red light line. And two biscuit packs. Two biscuit packs also available in this table. In this table. A glass. A glass. A glass without waters. Papers. There is some papers over here. Over here. So you can see, viewers. So this is a book. Look at that. Look at that biscuit packs. Look at that biscuit pack. So there is a newspaper. So there is a newspaper under all these items. Under all these items. Okay, all these items. There is a newspaper. This is called newspaper. So items. These are items. These are items. So this is very, very important. And syrup bottle. This is a syrup bottles. Syrup bottles. And the black cap. This is a black cap of this bottle. Of these bottles. Okay. I am adjusting the cap with the bottle. With the bottle. Okay. So now this bottle is looking perfect. Is perfect, and this is very, very wonderful. So one should clean this desk or the table. So thank you so very much.